Well, as you know, my GoPro is freezing. Oh, it's freezing up. Is it gonna work? Okay, it's on, it's recording. Will it work? This is not a waterproof testing. We know the GoPro is waterproof. I am just putting it on ice so it doesn't overheat during the test. But I have now got GoPro Labs firmware. I'm using the very fastest SanDisk card, the SanDisk Extreme Pro. I've upgraded the card. The card is not the problem. And I can tell you that for sure because when it's charging, it freezes up. And that has nothing to do with the card whatsoever. The only two theories left that I have not fully tested are new firmware and Wi-Fi is the new theory. A couple of people told me that the Wi-Fi is the problem, that you need to turn off the Wi-Fi on your cell phone and any other things around it in order to stop it from interfering, causing the GoPro to freeze. I think somebody's been standing a little too close to the power lines. No, I legit think that this is either bad firmware across the board, which would be great because it'd be an easy fix, or it's the hardware is bad. I've got a bogus GoPro, and that's why mine freezes all the time. But 3 to 4 times a day, it loses footage almost every time it freezes, and it freezes while charging, leaves the red light on, won't turn off. And even you unplug the battery, it continues to stay on like it's still charging, which could potentially be a fire hazard if it's, is it gonna catch on fire? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to continue test tonight, and I'll come back to you and let you know if the GoPro Labs firmware fixes the freezing issues.